How to split payment on Chase Bank account. Today, I'm going to show you how you can easily split payments using the Chase mobile banking app. So first, open your Chase mobile banking app and log in with your username and password. Once you are logged in, select the checking account or credit card that has the transaction you would like to split. After selecting your account, you will be taken to the page with your latest transactions. To split a transaction, swipe left on the charge that you want to split. Tap the split option and you will be redirected to a new page to choose who you want to split the payment with. You will see your recent contacts here. If the person you want to split with is already in your contacts, simply tap on their name. If they are not, tap add recipient and enter their details like email and name. You can also add multiple people if you are splitting the payment in a group. Once you have selected your contacts, tap Next. On the next page, the total amount will automatically be pre-filled. If you would like to add your portion, just tap Include My Portion. This will divide the payment equally. You can also add a memo if you wish, but it is optional. When you are ready, tap Request Money. You will be asked to confirm your request. Tap Yes, send it now to proceed. Finally, you will see a confirmation page letting you know that your request has been sent. Tap Done to return to the home page. And that's it. You have successfully split a payment using the Chase mobile banking app. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.